Hello everyone, we are here outside, of course with the cat because I want her to be here outside in the morning and to feel the breeze. It's a beautiful breeze in the morning. So I'm gonna tour you guys in my mini garden. Hey Fina, say good morning. Don't leave, don't leave. Hey, where are you? Fina. Okay. So what we have in our garden is just very tiny actually. But I have coconut here. And I have aloe vera here. And I have banana trees. It looks a little ugly now because when yes, it was a hard storm and my bananas fell with the fruits. And then there are small growing a lot. Yes, and in the garden, I don't know who planted papaya in there, very close to banana trees. These are my pandan leaves. I don't use them, but people do. So they cut it like that. It looks weird. And I have curry leaves tree. Oh, look. It's curry leaves. So when I make curry, I took leaves from here. And there is this sorry, tiny banana. This is, oh, it's bearing fruit now. It's bearing fruits, Baba. It's bearing fruit. Hey, don't complain, Baba. Don't complain, kitty kitty. No, you're not a kitty anymore. This is mulberry. This is mulberry. It looks like blackberry. No, it looks like blackberry. And in our garden, and this is also mulberry tree, they start changing the leaves. The leaves are new ones now, like this one. The old ones is going to die. All right. And under this tree, we have sweet potato. And when I cooked my vegetables, like I'm gonna put mung beans in the vegetable that I cooked, or if I wanted to make a soup, because that makes my appetite grow stronger. And yes, when I cook mung beans, I always put sweet potato leaves from the garden. And I also added alugbati. I don't know how to say that in English. And along here is my malunggay. It actually grows so big before, but then I don't know who who took it. But then this is a new tree that I planted, and it grew taller but very skinny. So I had to cut it, and now the leaves are growing, and I'm so happy. Okay, we are going up there. And it's funny because I planted spring onion. And the spring onion, since the soil is not that good and the sun is not that good in this area, so I planted spring onion, but I haven't cleaned the garden yet. This is spring onion. I planted four, but There are only two that is alive. Alright, and there are Ampalaya or beetle gourd. So here is my bitter gourd. It's very little, but I've harvested many already. And who are you, laddie? Who are you, lady? Who are you, lady? Look at that! And I have basil leaf. There are two big trees of basil leaves before, but then it's dead. And I planted aloe vera from here as well. It didn't grow big as it didn't grow as big as what downstairs, but here at least I have one here. All right. So my cat is crying. She doesn't like to be here. It's a good morning and I love the breeze. Can you see the view? It's beautiful, right? Sobrang lamig ng panahon. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kay saya ng bawat damdamin. Ang tibok ng puso sa dibdib. Para bang hulog ng langit. Ay nako, bihira talaga to. Pambihira talaga to pag hindi ka talaga marunong kumanta. Well, from the view, we're going down. We're heading down. Yeah, right, Fina? We are heading down and I can see broken or falling banana tree. That is the one that is falling because of the wind. Yes, the wind. And good morning, sky. Good morning, beautiful sky. Ooh, that is so beautiful there. And we're going down. Yes, Fina. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you. Are you angry? Are you mad? She's so mad. I carried her from the house, and then she's so mad at me now. Don't worry, I'm not gonna carry you anymore. Are you mad now? You're so funny, Fina. You're so funny. Okay, let's go. Let's go in. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. Hey, Fina. Come on in. Come on. Hey, where are you going? Ah, you're exploring the garden. All right then. All right then. Yeah, you cannot go in the forest, okay? So let's just go. Ang sarap talaga ng hangin. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kay saya ng bawat damdamin. It's a beautiful day. Look, it's a beautiful day, Fina. Let's get some sun. Let's get some sun, Fina. Here. Okay, so we are here now. And she was so scared and I don't know where she's going. Come here. She's a little scared of the sound of cars coming. And then she's even scared with the loud noises. So, yeah. She looks so surprised. And then, Fina, where are you heading? Where are you heading? I need to clean your eyes, Fina. Come here. Your eyes so dirty. It looks so dirty. Look. Yay! Alright, then let's go on. Let's go on. So that's it for today, and I'm just gonna share you what I have in the garden and what we have outside. The beautiful surroundings. And it's a beautiful day. I am under the sun with Fina, and yeah, hope you guys have a very nice day and have fun for the weekend. And by the way, please don't forget to subscribe the Philippine Wandering Fox and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.